Hello there, welcome back to my another video. In this lesson today, I'm going to show you International GCSE English Language A Paper 1 Transactional Writing, and it will cut half marks of your exam, 45 marks. My dear students, first of all, you need to know what is article. An article is a piece of writing that explicates ideas, thought, facts, suggestions, or recommendations based on a particular topic. First of all, to write a good response for your questions, article, you need to understand the topic first. At least read 2 to 3 times on the questions on the topic so that easily you can understand. For an article, you require first of all planning. Without planning, you cannot get a good marks. You might be stuck on the exam and you might be thinking on that what to write the next. To avoid the wastage of time, you need to plan what you are going to write. On your exam paper, first of all, you need to write a good title. You know, a good title can make attention of the examiners. After that, now you need to write a good introduction. See, the introduction will be the overview and summary of the entire writing and related to the topic in the questions you are asked for. After that, you need to write body paragraphs. You need to write 3, 4, or even 5 body paragraphs. At the end, you need to write the conclusion. In this video today, I will discuss how to write a good title. I'll show you how to write an introduction, and even step by step I will show you how to write the body paragraphs and conclusion at the end. On the screen you can see one question for article. A newspaper is asking articles on the pros and cons of connecting with social media from the readers. Make a good title for your article. My dear student, I didn't say you to write a title. I said make a title. So the title should be engaging, hook, that will grab the attention of the reader. And the title, of course, should be similar on the topic questions. Do you understand? What does it mean? Pros and cons the phrase? It's a phrase. Pros and cons. Advantages and disadvantages. I'm saying once again, advantages and disadvantages. So, now, how will you write the title? In the title, you can use all letters of the words, capital letters, or bold letters. Or you can write every single word, the first letter, bold letter, so that it will be eye-catching. And of course, write a bigger font, as usual you are going to write on the content. So, we can write one article exploring the pros and cons of connecting social media. So now, let's check. How would you write a good introduction? To write the introduction, first of all, you start with a strong opening that introduces the topic and sets the tone of your response. Provide a brief idea, overview, the thesis statement in your introduction. So, 2 things. First of all, you need an opening sentence that will be related to the topic. And you need to write, end of the introduction, the overview of your writing related to the topic. So, let's see what we can write for this article. We know in today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives, offering unprecedented opportunities for connection, communication, and community building. However, along with its many benefits, social media also comes with its share of drawbacks. So here's our introductions. You may write in your own way, but it should be like this: one opening sentence, then overview of the topic you are going to write, of course related to the question. After the introduction, now you need to write 4 to 5 body paragraphs. How will you develop your body paragraphs? And what should be the content? And how to write? Let's see together. To develop your body paragraphs, students you need to develop your response with evidence, examples, and relevant details. So you need to evidence one, evidence, examples, and relevant details. And each body paragraph should focus on a specific idea. So in your planning, you can write some short notes. What is the idea you will build in your writing? And your specific topic in each paragraph should contribute the overall argument or discussion. Of course, your writing should be coherent, using the right transitional words or phrases. Of course, I think you know what is transitional words or phrases. To make your writing coherent, see the transitional words. In addition, furthermore, in contrast, in addition, however, moreover, and so many transition words and phrases you can download from online. While writing the body paragraphs, concise your idea and make your idea clear to the readers. Remind yourself you're writing the article for the newspaper, magazine, or journal. So your piece of writing is going to be read by the readers. Now, what was our question? Our question was write an article on the pros and cons of connecting social media. On this topic, what should be the body paragraphs? Here is a simple writing. You can check. See, in the body paragraphs, I developed 2 sections. One, I wrote only for the pros. See, pros of social media connectivity. The first paragraph, I mentioned here global connection. In the exam, no need to write the subheadline. This is for your understanding, I wrote. But if you write, no issues. It will not grab your marks. The first paragraph I wrote on global connection. The second one I wrote information sharing. What are the pros? The advantages. The advantages I wrote here. Number 3, see, network opportunities. What are the opportunities of offering? How you are offered by the social media? Network opportunities. Number 4, creativity and self-expression. See, in this section, I wrote all the pros of social media. Now, I'm going to write the cons of social media. That means these advantages of social media. So, see, cons of social media connectivity. First paragraph, I wrote on privacy concerns. So these are the disadvantages I'm showing now. If you want to read the article or take a screenshot, pause my video for 5 seconds, take a screenshot. Second one, see, negative impact on mental health. It's very important. Negative impact on mental health. The second one, the negative impact on mental health. And I think as a student, of course, it will waste your time. So that's why another con, see, time consumption. Time consumptions. I wrote on this one para. Number 4, see, spread of misinformation. Always information not right. So these are the body paragraphs that I wrote and I planned for my article writing. And follow these instructions. And finally, now you need to write a conclusion. In the conclusion, now you are going to write the overview, what you presented on your content, on your body paragraphs, and also the summary of overall topic. By this way, you can complete your response. In this article, I have shown you the article around 350 to 400 words. Why? It depends on your exam marks. See, for Edexcel, International IGCSE exam English paper 1, you will get 45 marks. So, the content should be adequate for the marks. So, thank you my dear students for watching the video. If you like my video, of course, like my video and share my video.